Hello everyone, I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Are you tired of frizzy, unmanageable hair? Keratin and Botox treatments promise sleek, shiny locks, but which one actually delivers? One fights frizz with intense protein power, while the other revives damaged strands with deep hydration. Both transform hair, but their results couldn't be more different. If you've ever wondered which treatment is right for you, this is your ultimate guide. I will break down how they work, their clinical benefits, drawbacks, costs, and who should choose which treatment. So subscribe my channel not to miss latest updates and watch it till end to have best dreamy hair. Section 1. Keratin Treatment, the best for frizz control and straightening. What exactly is keratin? Keratin is a natural protein that makes up most of your hair. Over time, heat styling, coloring, and pollution can break down this protein, leading to frizz, dryness, and breakage. A keratin treatment helps by adding artificial keratin back into your hair. The process usually involves deep cleansing. A special shampoo removes buildup so the treatment can work better. Applying the keratin solution, a stylist applies a liquid formula, often containing smoothing ingredients like dimethicone and sometimes formaldehyde. Sealing with heat, a flat iron at very high heat, 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, locks the keratin into your hair. What science says about keratin treatments? Research from the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, 2020, found that keratin treatments make hair stronger, 22% less breakage, reduce frizz by smoothing the hair cuticle, last for about 12 to 16 shampoos. However, some treatments contain formaldehyde, which can irritate the scalp or cause breathing issues in sensitive people. Who should get a keratin treatment? Best for people with frizzy, wavy, or curly hair who want straighter, smoother locks. Those who hate spending time styling their hair, it cuts blow-drying time in half. Anyone with damaged hair from coloring or heat tools. Not ideal for people with very fine or thin hair, it can make hair look flat. Those who avoid chemicals, some formulas contain formaldehyde. Anyone who loves big, voluminous hair, keratin can weigh hair down. The formaldehyde debate. Some clinics claim their treatments are formaldehyde-free, but tests show many still release small amounts when heated. If you're concerned, ask for a glyoxylic acid-based treatment, like Global Keratin, instead. Section 2. Botox Hair Treatment, the ultimate repair solution. What is hair Botox? No needles involved. Despite the name, Botox hair treatment has nothing to do with injections. Instead, it's a supercharged deep conditioner packed with hyaluronic acid, adds intense moisture, proteins and vitamins, repairs damaged hair, ceramides, strengthens hair from the inside. How does it work? Clarifying wash, removes buildup so the treatment can penetrate better. Applying the Botox solution, a stylist massages it into each strand. Heat activation, a steam cap helps the ingredients soak in. Final rinse, locks in the nutrients. What experts say about Botox treatments? Dr. Melissa Piliang, a dermatologist at Cleveland Clinic, explains. Botox hair treatments go deeper than regular conditioners, repairing damage at the hair's core. They're great for bleached, dry, or brittle hair. Studies show that after 3 treatments, hair has 89% less breakage, 72% more elasticity, so it stretches instead of snapping. Who should get a Botox treatment? Best for people with dry, damaged, or color-treated hair. Those who want softer, shinier hair without straightening. Anyone who prefers chemical-free options. Not ideal for people who want permanently straight hair, it smooths but doesn't straighten. Those with very coarse, thick hair may need stronger treatments. Section 3. Keratin versus Botox, the big comparison. 1. Results comparison. When examining the outcomes of these two treatments, we see distinct differences in their effects. Keratin treatments provide near-total frizz elimination, making them the gold standard for humidity-prone hair. They transform loose waves into pin-straight styles with a high-gloss, almost mirror-like finish. However, this intense smoothing comes with a trade-off. The process can noticeably flatten hair at the roots, which may be problematic for those seeking volume. Botox treatments take a different approach to hair improvement. While they reduce frizz significantly, about 70 to 80% improvement, they don't completely eradicate it like keratin does. The treatment enhances hair's natural state rather than altering it. Curls remain curly but become better defined, and straight hair gains smoothness without chemical straightening. The shine it imparts is more of a healthy, natural luminosity compared to keratin's artificial-looking gloss. An advantage of Botox is that it actually adds lightweight body to hair, making it particularly beneficial for fine or thinning hair types. The key distinction lies in their fundamental purposes. Keratin is transformative, changing hair texture and behavior, while Botox is enhancing, working with your hair's natural state while repairing damage. This difference becomes crucial when deciding which treatment aligns with your hair goals and lifestyle maintenance preferences. 2. Which hair type is it best for? Keratin works best on wavy or curly hair, type 2A02C, thick, coarse hair, people who want low-maintenance straight hair. Botox works best on fine or thin hair, dry, damaged, or color-treated hair, people who want repair without losing volume. 3. Safety and chemicals. Keratin sometimes contains formaldehyde, which can cause irritation. Botox is usually chemical-free and safer for sensitive scalps. 4. Cost and how often you need it. Keratin $250 to $600 every 5 months. Botox $150 to $350 every 2 to 3 months. Tip: some salons offer combined treatments for around $400 to $700. 5. Maintenance and aftercare. For keratin, use sulfate-free shampoo. Avoid swimming pools, chlorine breaks it down. Get touch-ups every 4 to 6 months. For Botox, use hydrating masks weekly. Avoid high heat when styling. Reapply every 8 to 12 weeks. Section 4. Which one should you choose? Pick keratin if you want permanently smoother, straighter hair. Have thick, frizzy hair. Don't mind some chemicals. Pick Botox if you need deep repair without harsh ingredients. Have fine or damaged hair. Prefer natural-looking volume. The future, at-home options. New products like L'Oreal Wonder Water and Kerastase Fusiodose let you mix keratin strength plus Botox hydration at home. Experts say these will become even more popular in the next few years. Final answer: which treatment wins? If you want long-lasting straightening, keratin is the best choice. If you want healthier, hydrated hair, Botox is the winner. Pro tip: some people alternate keratin in summer for humidity protection and Botox in winter for extra moisture. Have you tried either treatment? Share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.